Well, hello there, DIY lovers, sewists, and creatives. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to replace the zipper in your jeans. Yep, that's right. Here you can see the zipper is broken and it needs to be replaced. I have a 6-inch zipper here, and I'm going to go ahead and start pulling out the old zipper with my seam ripper. I'm also using my snippers to get down in the bottom where the zipper ends to get those little stitches out, because we're going to cut that piece out and tuck our new zipper in there. Here I'm aligning the new zipper in the correct position and pinning it down, and also the flap from the bottom, we're going to stick that in where we cut the zipper out. As you can see, I'm making sure it's lined up evenly, and I'm securing it in place with pins. And I also want to make sure that I go back over the stitching. Now, on this particular pair of pants, there were 2 lines of stitching. I'm going to go over and restitch that here. In this particular shot here, I'm stitching the 2nd row of stitching on the pants. And you do want to make sure you go down as far as possible. And any open leftover space, you'll just sew that. Now on to the other side of the jeans. I positioned it in place and pinned it, and I'm hand sewing. Yes, that's right, hand stitching this part down. As you can see, I'm stitching in the center of the zipper, and I'm making sure that I'm only going through that first layer of that jean flap and not to the front of the jeans. There you see where I'm stitching. I'm also going to go and do another stitch on the opposite side of the zipper where the zipper pull is not at, to make sure it's secure. So you just want to do a basic stitch all the way up. And here I am securing it on the outside. As you can see, I don't want it to move. This actually had 2 rows of stitching on it as well. That's why I'm going back over it, making sure it's sturdy. And then also, we're in front of the zipper pull. I'm going to go on the inside and stitch in that area too to secure it even more. And look at there, almost done. Now I'm just top stitching back the waistband. Do remember, you have to open up the waistband just a little bit to get your zipper out and to place your new zipper in. So I'm just going back over it, the waistband, stitching it, going backwards, doing a back stitch to secure it. And look at, guys, it's almost done. How easy was that? And there we have it, a new zipper in a pair of jeans. There we go. And you also want to hit it with some steam. And there's my toddler boy, making sure that zipper is intact, honey, okay? Any questions, let me know. If you didn't understand anything, just go ahead and drop me a message. And if you use my tutorial, I would like to see how it turned out. So follow me and tag me on Instagram at Micheline Harrison. Until next time, later.